The next project on the purple gallinule is to replace the skylights, the hatches. The plexiglass has become very crazed and UV damaged, as well as the wood too. This is the old hatch. Ooh, can barely see through that. That's horrible. And we also have a second one, and this one has been replaced, so you can see the difference. That is beautiful. So let's get to work. We'll take out the old one, install the new one, make it so. Engine access was quite limited on the purple gallinule, so Gary cut out a larger space for access to the engine, but now we don't have a cover as a result. So if I pull the stairs away, we have this space here, which made it easy to work on the motor, but now we need a new cover. And the solution is here. We have a new piece of plywood cut out, rounded on the edges, holes pre-drilled, and to keep the sound down, apropos, from the streets of Cape Coral, lying on the street, piece of foam, cut to the proper size, and we shall adhere it with some contact cement.
Well, the experts, the powers that be, tell us that our mast is really pretty good. Yeah, it's got a crack, but it's not too serious. There was a repair done by a previous owner. Don't know how long ago, but anyway. And really all we need to do is to add a few more fasteners and we're good to go. We can go sailing. with this mast the way it is, without taking it down, without hiring a crane and a welder and a rigger and all of those
Rigmarole.
experts. So there's a sleeve inside the mast, which only has 4 bolts in it. So we're going to add a whole bunch of pop rivets to that system and lock it all together so it's all one unit. The boom is at a height where it'll hit the bimini when we're sailing, so that's not good. So I'm going to raise the gooseneck, this is called the gooseneck, up about 1 foot, and that'll raise the entire sail and clear the bimini. So we got 4 screws. On each side. And there she is.
The boom is free.
The rest of the boat is $1. Our diesel mechanic has also arrived back from the hardware store in his white and purple truck.
My surgeon just called me and gave me the greatest news.
Yeah, what did he give you?
He said
A
I got
bill?
a week to live.
Oh.
That's longer than I got before.
Kind of excited. We actually have a real working galley on Purple Gallinule at this point, all hooked up, and I'm excited to make some Toll House chocolate chip cookies. Awesome. Let's see if our cookies are ready. Baked aboard the Purple Gallinule. Ooh, I'd say these are done. These are perfect for me.